In this video, I'm going to be talking about this new desktop app. It's a desktop stopwatch, and yeah, it's from ChronoSheets, and it is a small utility that you can use during the day to record your timesheet entries back to your ChronoSheets account. Now, ChronoSheets are a set of services highly connected. There are mobile apps. There's now this desktop app, and developers can interface, create custom integrations. And actually, I used the developer tools to make this desktop app. So I'm just going to open it up and show you. Only runs on Windows, but it's very basic. Has a login screen here. So I'm going to log in with a test account. And I've logged in, and it's loaded the job codes and tasks for under my account. If I log into the website with the same account, I'm actually going to add a new job code just to show you how these are linked together. So if I add a new job code, I call it preview 437. I'm going to be working for Big Corp and online blog. I'm going to allow some documentation, maybe some database work, and some UI design requirements. Okay, so I'm creating a new job code, and I'm adding some tasks to this job code. And what I want to show you is, as soon as I create that under my account on the website, if I just refresh this by logging in again, I can now look through this list. I'll just bring this up here, and straight away the job code has become available through this app. So this app is a different thing to the website. The website is running, in a browser. The app is running on my Windows machine, but they're connected through the same set of services that I've developed for ChronoSheets. So with the task, I can see these are the tasks I added. Actually, if I bring that up on the website, if I bring up that job code, have a look. There are 4 tasks, if you remember, and documentation, database design, UI design, capture requirements. So let's start the day with capturing requirements. If I go to my timesheets page, you can see there are no records here yet. So I'm starting with a clean slate. Going to start. Okay, so the timer has started. I can go ahead, use my computer, open up different windows, have this running in the background, and yeah, the idea is it's meant to be a very minimal application that just saves you having to go back to this browser window and add timesheets through the usual way on the website, rather than doing filling it out on the web page. You can just do it through this interactive app and save time, make it a little bit easier. Also, with recording this, when I finish this task, which is to capture requirements, I can go to this next up panel, and it's been designed, within 2 clicks you can move on to your next task. So say I want to document some of those requirements. So I'm going to change from up here, you can see capture requirements. Now I'm going to continue on to documentation. The timer restarts, and now we're on the documentation task. Now if I refresh this timesheets page, you'll see that the record has been saved onto today. So we're on Saturday 7th of July, and it's 2 minutes has been saved. Another thing you can do with this app is you can actually, there's a limited functionality, you can update your profile. So on the website, if I have a look at my profile, my account, you can see this test account is Edward Osborne. From here I can update my profile. I can change it. Maybe I want to change to Ed Aussie or something. Go ahead and say that. And if I refresh the website, you can see straight away that information has been saved. And this is is all happening. The timer is still working in the background, so that's not an issue there. Now back to my timesheets. There's one entry I did before. Now if I finish up this shift, I might go on a break. I can click on finish here. That entry is saved to the back to the through the service back to the website, and if I refresh that, you can see that there it is at the bottom there, added from timer. So to cap it off, this app, it's very simple, but it should make things easier. You don't need to navigate through the website and manually enter start and end times. You can just click through the UI on this app, start the timer, end the timer, etc., etc. Now to download install this app, you can just go to this button down the bottom here, get it on Windows, and that will start a download. You'll have to proceed through and complete the installation. Once it's installed, it will be available through the start menu of your Windows computer.